Hello student, how are you? I think your preparations for your next exams are start, starting for today's and everyone preparing in a good manner to complete all the syllabus related to your all the subject and your responses related to our test one are very good. Everyone try in a good manner, but I want to say that everyone do hard work to solve all the questions because out of 10 questions, 2 or 3 questions are not good solved by all the students. So everyone try to all the questions in correct manner and within a time. So how can we solve all the questions in within a time? To before starting your preparation or before starting your test, everyone recall all the concept on your copy and revise your solution and solve some other questions related to your books and some concept provided by me. So then by the help of these formulas, you can solve all the questions. So let's start our today's revision test. This video is contained with the objective questions, multiple questions. So first of all, understand all the questions carefully, then try to give their answers. And in next day, everyone send me in WhatsApp your answers, your responses with your name. So we will discuss about in next classes. So all the best for this test and everyone appear in these exams. So everyone getting good score, good marks on your half yearly exams. So now question number one, the difference of the greatest and the smallest number formed by using digit 2, 4, 6, 7 and 3 is only. You can form greatest number and least number using this given number, but remember each digit at one time. So you can write only one times. So option A, option B, option C. You can select which options are correct. Second question, how many strips of length 30 centimeter it can be cut from 12 centimeter long strip? Okay, means that how can we divide a 30 centimeter long strip into a 12 centimeter long strip? How can we divide? And if you divide, then what's their value? 12, 14, 36, and 40. What? How? Remember their units are same or not? Recall your concept, then you can getting the answers. What should be added to 196,378 to get 436,945? Okay, what should be added? So what should be added on a given number? Then we will get our answers. Okay, you can select from the 4 options given on the screen. Next question, 1 billion equal to 1 billion equal to, you can select for only one answer from the given questions. 100, 10, 10,000, lakh. Okay, you can give your response according to given these 4 options. 1 billion equal to how many millions? 1 billion equal to how many millions? Okay. Next question number 5th. Who is greater from given 4 options? Okay. On a given figure, everyone firstly carefully observe the figure of 4 person. Okay. Ram, Hari, Dolly, Mohan, Sasi. All 4 have different height in centimeter. You can observe the given height and decide which is taller. But remember here, Ram Hari represent A, Dolly B, Mohan C, and Sasi D. According to this, you can response. Next one, Find out the time taken by the bus to reach A to D in a given figure. Okay. Find out the time taken by the bus to reach A to D. Okay, suppose that where is A? Here it is A, B. Okay, we can observe by the help of, okay, this one, it is our A, B, C, D. Okay. What is your question? Time taken by the bus to travel A to D. Suppose bus start from A and reach up to point D, then their distance will be. What are their distance? Everyone give your answer from these questions. Okay. Next one. So what are the answer you can give? Your answer here is there is no any options provided on this question number 6. Question number 7. Estimate and look which flags are near to 260. Among 4 flags, everyone decide or estimate which flags represent to 260. What? 260. Okay. 259, 260, 261, 262, and so on up to 271. But estimate firstly, then you can decide which flag represent 260 near to 260. That is not exactly a 260, but a 260. Again, there is no option for this question. Okay, either you can say there are 4 flags, so we can say first one is A. It is A. Okay, it is B, flag B. It is flag C, and last one is flag D. Okay, so after this 4 flag, you can decide. Next one, after estimate your this given question, you can give your responses A, B, C, or D. Okay, you know what is A, what is B, what is C, and D. Question number 8, which of the following numbers has digit 6 in its 10,000 place? Everyone know what is place value and what is face value. If you know what is place and face value, then you can easily predict 6 in its 10,000 place. Okay, what is 10,000 place? So we can see here option A, B, C, and D. Okay, after submission, before submission of your answer sheet, all the students firstly check out your responses and means that cross check your answer, then you can submit your answer. And thanks for watching this video, and be ready for another videos uploaded by me that are really helpful for your revision. And if everyone send me message to make such a video that a quick revision of chapter 1 means important formula. If all of you want to make a video for important formula or important terms, then I will make such a video that will really revise your chapter 1 in a quick revision. Okay. Again, thanks for watching.